Hi everyone! Today I'll guide you through setting Facebook usage limits on your device. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook application on your smart device and ensure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look for the 3 horizontal lines or the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, in the menu that appears, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options. Now, tap on Settings from the expanded menu. This will open up the main settings page for Facebook. Scroll down on the settings page until you find the Your Time on Facebook option. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll find several options to help manage your time on Facebook. Tap on Manage Your Time to continue. Now, you'll see different tools like Quiet Mode and App Timers. For limiting your usage, tap on Quiet Mode. In Quiet Mode, you can set specific times when you want Facebook to remind you to take a break or limit your usage. Simply enter the times that work best for you. Once you've set your preferences, tap Set Quiet Mode Schedule or similar to confirm your settings. That's it! If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay balanced in your digital life.